Hello, this is OpenBox and welcome to another video. Today we're reviewing the Razer Huntsman Mini from Razer. This is their 60% form factor keyboard which came out very recently. I got this with the Razer purple switches, which are optical switches. They're very clicky with the actuation distance of 1.5 milliliters and the actuation force of 45 grams. So this is actually a very nice and a very first for Razer, because they really don't normally make 60% form factor keyboards. So let's just get into the box. As you can see, instruction manual, not really useful. Razer stickers as usual. At the bottom there is the Type-C cable, which is very different to what they usually use. They usually use micro USB, which is very useful now, because now you can just easily put them in. Okay, so it does come in two options. It can come in mercury white or it can come in black. It also can come in purple switches, which is what I chose, and red, Razer red switches, which are, I'm pretty sure, better, but they were out of stock, so I couldn't really get a hand on those. I actually got the combo of it with the mercury white Razer Basilisk, which is the perfect combo, I guess. It's actually even in the picture for the advert, and I just thought, why not, because it looks very nice. Okay, so there is a keyboard. I'm actually using it right now. It's just different to what I'm usually used to, because I really use the large form factor keyboards, which are better for editing, but I thought, why not try this. It's got a lot of different features. It's very loud. It's actually very loud. I've realized that now. I should have got brown switches, but of course I didn't have that available. Which you can also change out all the keycaps on this, but you won't of course have the shortcuts on the side of the keycap. So there you go. It's the USB Type-C and a USB. It's got a decently long cable, so you can route it to your PC. So it does have a kickstand for your, it's got two options. It's got a really small one and a big kickstand for when you want it to be in a different direction. So these are the purple switches. As you can see, very loud. Type-C goes in. It's actually pretty simple, because they put it really deep inside of the keyboard, so you have to actually reach in for that. So FN, it highlights all the shortcuts for you, which is very nice. No one does this other than Razer. So if you hold G, it will turn the brightness down, H to put the brightness back up. So FN shortcuts for F1, F2, F3 and etc. Also, if you press FN control, it also gives you different types of lighting effects. I don't know why my wife flashing, but I think I put it on lock. But yeah. So FN control 1, that's the first. I'm pretty sure this is just a breathing effect. FN control 2, that's, I'm pretty sure, a super slow color wave. That's a really fast breathing effect. And control F5, which will be very soon. And this is what I'm keeping on. Looks very nice. Thanks for watching and have a great day.